In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pricing plans on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to offer subscriptions, memberships, or simply want to provide structured pricing information for your products or services, the step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. First, let's start off by accessing the Wix editor or Wix Studio in the Chrome browser. It's important to use Chrome as it generally provides the most stable experience when working with Wix's platform. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the Wix App Market. This is where you'll find a variety of apps to enhance your website's functionality. In the App Market, search for the Wix Pricing Plans app. Installing this app is crucial as it provides the framework for creating and managing the pricing plans you'll offer to your customers. With the app successfully added to your Wix site, it's time to get creative by setting up your new pricing plans. You can design these plans with all the necessary details, such as features included in each plan, the duration of the plans, and of course, the price. Carefully fill out these details to ensure prospective customers fully understand what they're getting. If applicable, be explicit about the different features across varying price tiers, which helps in making compelling offers that encourage more sign-ups or purchases. Now, if your business model includes subscriptions or memberships, Wix makes it easy to set those up as well. Spend some time considering what options are best for your audience, such as monthly or annual subscriptions, and reflect these choices in your plan setup section. By offering flexible subscription options, you're more likely to cater to different customer needs and preferences, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction and retention. Once your pricing plans are defined, you'll want to make sure they look appealing. Customize the design and layout of your pricing plans, keeping in mind your brand's aesthetics and user experience. Use fonts, colors, and design elements that align with the overall look and feel of your website. Attractive design goes a long way in making information more accessible and engaging for users visiting your site. After setting up and designing your plans, the next step is to incorporate these plans into your website's pages. Add them to relevant sections where visitors can easily find them. Consider placing them on the home page or a dedicated plans and pricing page to maximize visibility. This strategic placement ensures your site visitors won't have any trouble discovering what you offer. Before wrapping things up, it's time for a crucial step: saving and publishing your site. This makes all your hard work visible to the world. So give your site one last review to ensure everything looks perfect and operates seamlessly. Once you've double-checked everything, hit that publish button. And there you go, a comprehensive guide to setting up pricing plans on your Wix site. By following these steps, you can provide clear and